Hi, welcome to our tutorial. Today I'm going to make our pink and silver crystal earring that we call the Warbler. I think it's very pretty. If you like our tutorials, please subscribe. That'll help us out. And today what we need to make this earring is we need two 6mm rondelle crystals in silver, four 4mm rondelles in silver. Then we also need 4 pink rondelle crystals, and then we need an 8mm, we need 2 of the rondelle crystals. We'll also need a couple of size 11 seed beads and a couple of the size 6 seed beads. That's to make one earring, so to make 2 you will need to double that. Alright, so I start with about a foot of my beading string, and I use this kind, the Wildfire. Alright, if you have trouble finding what you want, I will have a link at the bottom of this so that you can buy the kit to make exactly these earrings with everything you need. Okay, so to start out, we are going to be starting at the bottom of the earring. We will be using 2 needles, so I have a needle threaded on each end of the string. We'll be starting from the bottom and working our way up. So to begin with, I will take one of the 8mm pinks, followed by a 4mm silver, a 4mm pink, a 6mm in the silver, and one more 4mm in pink. So that's what that gives us to start out with. And then what we do next is I will pick up a 4mm silver, but this one we are going to cross our strings at. So I will pull this needle through in this direction, and then the other needle I will thread in and pull through in the opposite direction. Then when we tighten that down, we have the beginning of our earring. Try to get that about halfway in. Alright, next we will pick up a seed bead on each needle. And then we will cross it at another one of the 4mm silver. So I thread both needles through in opposite directions and tighten them down. Okay, so that is the beginning. Now next, on the left side, I am going to pick up the 8mm pink rondelle and the last 4mm silver. And then I'll just put that aside, and I will pick up the other needle. So on the right side, I'm putting on a pink 4mm rondelle, a silver 6mm, and then another 4mm in pink. So now we have the basics, and I will just have a size 6 seed bead in the top, and I am going to go ahead and cross my strings at that seed bead. So now it's basically done. I'm going to thread each string through and tie off a knot. I'm doing 2. Okay, and then I will keep going through the way that string is through the beads, so keep going backwards a little bit more. I'll go back to there, and that'll be good enough. That's where I will cut my string off. And then I take the next one, and I'm also going through and I will tie my knot here. And go through a few more. Okay, done with my needles. Now I'm ready to cut the strings off. Okay, now we are ready to attach it to the ear wire. So now we'll need a jump ring and the ear wire, and we will open the jump ring. I will slide it in the size 6/0 seed bead that's at the very top. Now I like to make sure when I make a pair of earrings that they're kind of mirror image of each other. So this one, it has the 8mm on the left side. So on the other earring I'm going to want it so that it will be on the opposite side. So I will put that on that way. And then I will close my jump ring back up. Make sure it's nice and tight. Nope. Make it a little bit closer here. I always like to make sure I can't slide my thumbnail down in that. And there we have the second earring of our pink and silver warbler. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our videos, please do subscribe. And we'll be making another, I don't know what we'll do next, but another piece of jewelry soon. Thank you very much.